What's going on, guys? Seancutshair here, back with another video, guys. What you've been waiting for, my Magic Clip Wish Clipper review. Guys, they're so good. One of my guys had to buy them for me. What do you think about them, Doug?
Hey, it's really the best $30 I ever spent in my life.
We're gonna see how long they last, but let's get to this cut. All right, guys, this is it. This is the Wish Magic Clip you guys have been waiting to see. I've got tons of comments about this clipper, so you guys are about to see it in action. All right, we'll start off with the number 4. We're gonna go up and try to blend into that weight before we come in and do our fade underneath. And guys, I'll kind of do a tutorial, but I'm also gonna talk about the clipper as we go. So try to follow along, and then I'll explain kind of my thoughts on the clipper once we get closer to the end. We're coming with our Slimline Pros just like normal. I try to do most of what I can with the clipper in this video, but of course I can't get it all the way down the skin, so we have to use the shaver and the Slimline. So we'll go ahead and bald it out, come in with the shaver underneath, and then we'll get started on our fade. We're going to come in with our clipper all the way open. You guys see he has quite a bit of surface area here. Everybody's head shape different, so we're going to go up about 3/4 of an inch to an inch. We'll go ahead with our lever all the way open, up that far, and then we'll start to work the guideline out underneath. So of course I'm going to come in with my Slimline and flick that bottom line out because that's what I started with. Then we'll come in with the clipper closed and start to work it up from there. So now the clipper's closed, you guys can see I'm using the corner of the blade, working that guideline up, and all we should have left after that is something that we'll need to use the clipper halfway open to get. So you guys will see we worked it closed, now it's halfway open, working my way back down, and that section's almost blended already. Alright, now we'll come in with the 1 guard open, and guys, these are the wall premium guards, of course. This is such a close replica that it fits perfect. So we'll come in with the 1 open, same thing, we're going to do about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and then we'll start to work the line out. Alright, so this is the clipper all the way closed, and guys, this is my first complaint. Because of these being cheaply made, you can't really zero gap them, or should I say you can't really adjust them, and they're set so close that with the 1 guard all the way closed, it was rattling the teeth. So I actually had to adjust how I cut, so I used the 1 guard just slightly past closed, and now I'm using the half guard a little bit past half open. And again, guys, it's just about using whatever lengths you need to get a nice blend. So that's really one of my only complaints. You guys are going to see this fade's going to come out nice. Those things cut like butter. They actually felt really good. I was actually shocked at how good they felt. My only complaint really is that I couldn't adjust the blade, and it rattled the guards when it was all the way closed. So again, if you can learn how to cut with it that way, I'd rather not have a clipper that I can't close all the way. But like I said, guys, they cut well. So now we'll take a 2 guard close, and we're going to go 1 step above that. We're going to try not to leave a guideline. We don't really want to have to do any work above this. So I'm trying to take that 2 guard and flick right into the 4. Then all we should have left is the line from the 1 guard to the 2 guard, and the 1.5 will take that out. Right here, guys, I'm using a 3 and connecting it. I think there was a little bit of dark there I wanted to clean up, so I am going to use a 3 to connect that to the 4. Then we'll come in with the 1.5 and finish this side up. watching this back on camera, I can see that there's a line right there, right where I'm at right now. And really that line is right at that one guard closed. And like I said, with it not being able to close it all the way and it grinding the teeth, that's why that line's left. So now that I can see it, that's one thing, guys, when you record and you take pictures, you'll see stuff that you didn't see in person. So I was super happy with the fade, but now that I see it, that would have helped a lot if I was able to close that guard all the way up. So now we'll go into the other side, same steps as before. We'll start with the foreguard, blend into the weight, set our ball guideline, and work our steps up from there. Alright, so we'll start with our open section. Again, lever all the way open. We'll go up about 3/4 of an inch and set our open guideline. And then we'll start from the bottom and start to work that section out. Now on this side, I'm not going to use the Slimline. I'm going to see if this will do it closed. You guys can see, obviously, if it won't let me put a guard on it all the way closed, then it's very zero gap. So it's going to go ahead and take that ball guideline out, and then I'll open it up halfway and take the rest of that line out. Alright, now moving on to the open one, we'll go ahead and go up another 3/4 of an inch with the open one. We'll come in with it closed underneath that, and then the very bottom line that will be left we'll take out with the half guard. You guys see me adjusting that lever so much right there. I'm trying to get it as closed as I can without that guard just going crazy. So you can see I'm kind of fighting that area. The same thing I said on the other side. It's just kind of hard with that not closing all the way, or when it does close all the way, it wants to grind the teeth. So we're gonna do a 2 guard up into the 4, use a 3 to connect that to the 4, and then you guys know the last line that's left, we will take a 1.5 guard and take that out. But real quick, I want to tell you guys my thoughts on this clipper. Honestly, I am not a magic clip guy. I'm a senior guy all day. I think the seniors have more power. Obviously, this is a replica magic clip, so I was absolutely expecting it to be terrible. And guys, they cut like butter. I mean, like I said, my guy DW had to buy them, and I definitely told him they cut well. I was super pleased with this haircut. My only real complaint is, like I said, they were a little bit too zero gapped, and I couldn't adjust them. They just wouldn't move around very much, so I wasn't able to use it with the guard all the way closed. And that's kind of a problem. But like I said, if you can adjust, and you know, maybe another pair won't do that, but this pair did, and it kind of made it difficult. But again, if I can get used to that cutting like that, I could definitely put out a good product by the end. But overall, guys, these are probably, I don't see the other clipper cutting as well as this. So I haven't done the 1919 yet, or the Metal Magic Clip knockoff that I have, but I don't see it cutting as good as this. Already I can tell on it that the blade is a little bit crooked. But if you guys like these videos, next Sunday I will drop the Metal Magic Clip knockoff video. And then hopefully, if everything comes in, the week after that I will have the Wish trimmer video coming. So if you guys are enjoying these Wish videos, I got much more coming. I got a lot of ideas. You guys stay tuned and make sure you got the notifications on so you see that when it drops. We'll go ahead and finish this cut up, and you guys can check out the end result. by the way, guys, if you didn't see the video of me buying these clippers off of Wish, definitely go check it out. It's one of my best videos I've ever dropped. You know, I want to bring you guys tutorials, but also YouTube and your guys' views and clicks and comments tells me what you guys like, and the Wish video is going crazy. So I definitely have more of that planned. Also, I'm going to cut with each of these clippers always when I get them, so you guys can look forward to more tutorials and, you know, more reviews on these Wish clippers. So I get a lot of comments about, you know, we need to support the more expensive clippers and brands, and I'm 100% with that. I am not going to change up the clippers I use on the daily, but this is super fun to go buy and see. I know a lot of you guys are curious to see how these work, and some of you guys do need a budget clipper or something like that you guys want to buy. You want to spend a little bit less, and so that's kind of why I'm doing it. But really, it's just been fun to go on Wish, see what they have, order it in, and see how it turns out. So like I said, guys, I got that trimmer video coming soon. I'm super stoked about it. I got those skeletons that are going around, and I'm looking forward to trying them out. But if you guys like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Let me know. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know if you like it, and if you want to see more Wish videos in the future, and I'll do them. So like I said, I really enjoyed it. It's been kind of fun to get these in and see how they compare. Alright, we're going to style it up a little bit. We're going to just blow dry his hair and get some lift, put a little product in it, and you guys can check out the end result. And this guy's a hairdresser, one of my good friends, a longtime client. He is a hairdresser down the street, very talented, and he doesn't come to me often, but every now and then he wants a good haircut. He comes in, and he was, of course, down to film a video, and he liked the end result as well. So he was kind of pleased that I did it with a $30 clipper off of Wish. So. Alright guys, there's the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out blurry. Definitely was pleased with this clipper. It was much better than the other, but we still got a third one to see. So if you guys like this video, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.